Good morning, Treebeard. Here we are at the next carving session, and a couple of things I've realized is that we've got some really soft wood here in his cheek. We had some really deep worm trails back here, and so I carried him up into the sun, kind of soft in here too, another big worm trail, to let that dry out to see if it would harden up any. It is a bit, I'm pleased to say. Now I have to decide, is that eye good, or do I need to push this entire part of his face further back in order to make it look good? See, I've got a big worm trail here, which kind of looks cool. It's almost like an eyeball. A worm trail here running this way, big deep worm trail back in there. One thing I do know, I'm going to cut this at an angle like so. I'm going to cut this off, and that will allow me to get my tools back in there better. Plus, as far as the sculpture is concerned, the face is in the hollow this way, so it would make sense if this was cut here. It frames out the face better. So I'll do that first, and then I think I'm going to, while I have the saw out, I'm going to start putting some beard lines all around here. All of this is going to be beard. One of the things I've learned as an artist is that I just have to show up. I have no idea what I'm going to do, but I just got to show up. Just got to get in place, get all my stuff together, and show up. Ideas come. Now, let's burn him in. good. I love the beard coming out the bottom there. I'm gonna sit on it for a day. There's something I could do to make his nose stand out more. Maybe take some of the burn off his cheeks just a little bit. What he needs is the stand finished. So I'm going to smooth all of the back of this out here with the chainsaw. I'm going to take a bunch of this material off the back of it to reduce the weight so that my customer can move it around more easily. But that's basically it. I'm going to start smoothing and shaping so that the stand doesn't look so rough and that it isn't so heavy. Let me turn it around here a little bit so you can see. So see, here's the face. I'm going to start smoothing here and rounding up here until I've got something that looks smoother and more symmetrical. Big chunks taken off with the chainsaw. Now I'm going to use the angle grinder and finish smoothing it out. Let's get some eyes painted in here. This is going to be interesting. The sample my customer gave me was red, so I'm going to start with that. Red eyes, black pupils, and I'll be okay with that as long as it doesn't make it look super creepy. I am not interested in making a horror item. Interesting. See him now. Presenting Treebeard. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you like this kind of content, please give me a thumbs up and like this video, subscribe. I got lots more of this stuff coming. I just continue to document how I learn and what I do and try to share it with you. Thanks for being here. Say so long to Treebeard.